good thing about that is once you get these recipes together, they're together forever. Now you can start giving them away forever, not just during the holidays. Right now, you may label the document holiday recipes or recipes for the holidays, whatever, catchy. But then during Valentine's Day, you can reword it and add some more and take away some whatever. And do that year round because that's incredible. I used to do that when I was the Tupperware manager a million and a half years ago. People would buy Tupperware from me because I would give them, how to clean your Tupperware better, how to clean your skillets better by using a potato or a dryer sheet in your iron skillets and recipes and things like that because there was a million and a half Tupperware people. How is it just like there is coffee people? How are they going to decide to go with Grace versus go with SpongeBob that sells the same thing? Oh,
Right.
well, Grace told me about the free shipping and Grace has given me free recipes and see, but SpongeBob didn't offer any of that. So always set yourself up way up here and everyone else down here in your coffee business.